The fast stock market news, where I give you all the stock market news as fast as I can. So let's see how the indices did today. As you can see, the S&P 500 finished 1.89, 1.86 in the green. The Dow had a nice green day, finishing up almost 2%. The Nasdaq finishing 1.59%, and the Russell finishing a bit over 1% for the day. So it's actually a really good day for the Dow, and the reason the Dow jumped up today so much, almost 2%, and outperformed all the indexes, was because of JP Morgan. JP Morgan basically caused all the banks to spike today, and it had to do a lot with what Jamie Dimon said, currently saying basically how currently the economy is pretty bad, but like any storm, the clouds eventually move away and things get back to normal. Jamie Dimon did say that he believes that the consumer's in a good spot, kind of like causing the market to rally today, saying that they've never had more savings than they've had currently. So that caused a big rally in the markets today, basically showing everyone that maybe it's not going to be as bad as we think, the recession. So it's good to see the markets rally for today. But I wanted to get to some more news, guys, and that's going to be earnings for the remainder of the week. Today's Monday. Probably the biggest company that reported was Zoom. You guys know anything about Zoom? It's basically like the #1 pandemic stock, the stay-at-home stock, and it actually spiked up a lot. It went up as much as almost 20% after the bell. But like anything in this market, nothing is safe. People took profits, and it's still up for the day, but it had a nice beat, basically showing that it beat on basically adjusted earnings, and it also actually improved from the previous year of $3.45 to $3.51. But a couple of more that I wanted to look at for tomorrow. Very important for you guys to be on the lookout for Best Buy. It's going to be kind of like another one of those Target kind of Walmart thing to show you how people are spending their money. And if people are not buying electronics, you could probably bet that Best Buy is probably going to tank if their sales are down for the year. Another one that I would keep an eye out on is in Ralph Lauren. Kind of like a more high-end clothing brand. If they're reporting good revenue, that people are still buying high-end clothing, then that could bode well for the like Nordstroms and Ralph Lauren and all these kind of like high-end retailers. Another one after the bell, it's important to look out for Toll Brothers. A lot of building houses, and currently, if you guys haven't noticed, the housing market's outrageous, and it's just kind of like really bad to try to even get a home. The mortgage rates are about 5.3%, and it's just being overinflated. A lot of people think we're in a bit of a bubble, and it could pop at any moment. So Toll Brothers, along with a lot of other homemakers, have been like just being beaten up during this whole sell-off that's been happening in the market. On Wednesday, good to check on Dick's Sporting Goods. Another one of those, like basically kind of like what are people spending? Are they spending money on just food and necessities, or are they still spending it on like outdoor equipment and things to go outside and have fun? Nvidia, another huge one. The semiconductor space has been absolutely nuked during this sell-off. Really interesting to see what Nvidia has to say. Other companies like AMD have reported great earnings, and their stocks have sold off. So who's to say what might happen with Nvidia? Hopefully it doesn't like completely tank the market again, because Nvidia is a big chunk of the S&P 500. You also have Alibaba, another important one for us to see how business is going in China. And if you know anything about China right now, it's not really good. Everything's pretty much shut down in Shanghai. So it's interesting to see how what Alibaba has to report. Another one at Macy's, Dollar General, very much for like recession kind of stocks. Dollar General and Dollar Tree. These are like kind of just, I wouldn't doubt it if they went up after the bell, because if we are in recession, basically these companies do the best, along with Costco, probably one of the big ones, kind of like a Walmart or a Target, kind of a big recession stock that people kind of like go to. Although I will say that Costco has ran up a lot this past 6 months. It hit a 52-week high a couple of times. Guys, just a quick video for you. Thanks again for watching. I'm glad we had a green day. A lot of it because of Jamie Dimon and JP Morgan Investor Day. And let's see if we can keep this momentum going. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Thanks again, everyone, for watching Fast Stock Market News. If you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, commenting, or liking the video. I would greatly appreciate it. My name is Gio, and I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.